Okay, so you guys, my hair is washed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is ClaireFendy. If you guys are new here, welcome. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a little wash, blow dry, and flat iron. I'm just going to do my hair. I dyed my hair. You guys can't tell, but I dyed it blue black. I'm going to have all that in a video, so make sure you guys keep on watching. I'm going to show you guys what I used. My hair really grew. If you guys follow me, so if you guys subscribe to my channel from when I used to do bun tutorial, you guys know that yeah, we came a long way. So yeah guys, yeah, so if you guys have thin natural hair, looking for how to wash and style your hair, keep on watching, and I'm gonna see you guys at the end of the video. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah. Okay, so we're going to take this wig off because this is like my emergency wig. This is my emergency wig. I literally only wear it because I want my hair, it's just like my on the go. So this is the hair, you guys. Okay, so we're going to start with my hair all out. My hair is a 3C/4A. I had heat damage when I used to do like my bun tutorials, so like the front was like, I kept cutting it. I feel like now it's finally like long enough, because it used to just be really short. It literally used to have Dora bangs, y'all. So I'm so happy to have it back. My hair is thin, y'all, so I don't want y'all to think like, you know, but anyways, I think I already detangled the hair, but let me go ahead and detangle it again just to make sure everything is good, child. I'll start off with using my Palmer's. So this is their length retention 2-step mask. I think this is a new one because I used to use the regular Palmer's one, the one that just like a protein mask, but this is the length retention, and I could use some extra length. Like, yeah, this is where my hair stopped at, y'all. It stopped right here. And yeah, so let's do this. So it's a 2-step process. So okay, so this is step 1. It says hydrating deep treatment, moisturizes, soften, and restore shine. Step 1, apply deep conditioning mask and distribute through hair. Do not rinse. I think I bought 2 of these, so let me so I bought 2. I bought one for one side of my head, the other one for the other side, because I just knew it probably wasn't going to be enough. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to part my hair down the middle. Y'all, my hair is so dirty, y'all. I think, when was the last time I washed? I think the last time I washed my hair was September. But I know a lot of people says that like when you don't wash your hair frequently, it helps it grow. So, but y'all, this is what it's looking like. It's so bad. Look like a child. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna take this also has biotin in it, so this is a plus. All right, so I'm gonna just take it. I'm gonna just do it in sections. Okay, so for step 2, it says it's a protective glaze, so it seals cuticles for incredible shine. So step 2, apply protective on top of the step 1 and distribute it through hair. Leave for 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna cut it. Okay guys, so I got one side of my head done. Okay guys, so I got one side of my head done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then I'm gonna come back and set the timer for like 5 minutes so I can rinse it all out. Okay, so hey Siri, set timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, counting down.
Okay, so I'm in my studio's bathroom and I'm gonna show you guys what shampoo and conditioner I use. The camera is like up high near the window, and as you guys looking at like it's a cute little setup. I didn't know I could do this, so I'm definitely about to do like skincare routines here. This is just a vibe. But anyways, so I'm gonna show you guys what shampoo I use. So I'm gonna use the biotin and collagen shampoo. You can get this at Walmart. I love this shampoo so much. It's by renpure original. And then I'm gonna use the biotin and collagen conditioner. So yeah, so I'm gonna use these. Biotin is good for like thickening your hair, and my hair is thin, so this really helps. Anyway, the timer's about to go off. Alright, so now we're gonna wash. Shampoo like I mentioned, and I'm just going to shampoo my hair. And we're done. And we're done. Okay, so you guys, my hair is washed. Don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna actually dye my hair blue black. I'm about to bring my camera back to the studio so I could just talk to you guys and show you guys the process. So let's go back. The killer is a skink. Help me! Okay, so I'm gonna be dyeing my hair. Let's take this thing off. Woo! Oh my god. Y'all know what I look like from The Simpsons. I'm gonna insert a picture to show y'all what I look like, but this is my hair. I think I have shrinkage now. I never used to have shrinkage, but yeah, I definitely have shrinkage. But it's okay. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what color I'm gonna dye my hair. So I'm gonna dye my hair blue black. I know it's like, why would I dye it blue black? My hair is already kind of black. Well, it's dark brown, but I want my hair to be blue black because I just feel like when you have your hair like really like dark, like really dark, it makes your face glow in a way. Like, I don't know, but brown skin girls with blue black hair is a vibe. Because yeah, so I'm gonna use Dark and Love. This is in the shade 382 Midnight Blue. I'm going to dye my hair this because I really feel like it really makes my skin glow. So it comes with fade resistant. This is a conditioner, so I'm gonna have to wash my hair again. This process is all day. Okay, so this is the developer. Lastly, this is the fade resistant. This is the color. So I'm gonna take my developer and I'm going to put the color inside of it, inside the tube. I don't read my instructions, y'all. Maybe I should. I don't know. But this is what it's looking like. The developer don't come out blue. It looks yellow. But I feel like once you like mix it in, it's gonna be blue. What the fuck is that? All right. Y'all can't really see the difference, but it's black. Like really dark black, and it already make my skin already start glowing. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I have this really old blow dryer. I would get rid of it, but it's the only one that works for me. Like, it really gets my hair right. So it looks a little ghetto with the tape and all, but my hair is blow dry, I'm going to use my Lotta body. This is a shine mist, so I'm just going to put my hair up high and I'm just going to spray because I don't want my hair to be oily, but I want it to have some type of moisture. Okay, so this concludes the video. This is the hair, you guys. I didn't cut my ends. I need my ends clipped for sure because I know I have some split ends, because as you guys know, I don't really wear my real hair out like that. So this is it. I'm gonna show you guys. Let's do a little left check or whatever. All right, so this is the hair. which stops right here, like in the middle of my back. Oh wow, that's pretty long. But yeah guys, so this is gonna conclude the video. I think I'm going to do another like bun tutorial after this. So yeah guys, keep on watching. Well, it concludes the video, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel to see the next look I'm gonna do. Yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.